Ayan, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Magandang araw, magandang gabi. Saan man kayo naroroon. Ayan, katatapos lang po natin naligo. Ayoko siyang suklayin. Pagbasa pa yung buhok ko, hindi ko siya sinusuklay. Hindi ko rin siya binobrow dry. So ngayon, ang gagawin po natin is may dumating na parcel. At habang nag-unboxing tayo sa dumating na parcel from Amazon, ay nanonood tayo ng premium. Ang hirap talagang premium. Buksan. Buksan. Ang mahiwagang kahon. You ready, guys? Are you ready to rumble? Ayan. May isang kahon. Ayan siya. Ayan. Tikita nyo, di ba? Tapos meron pang, ayan. Meron pang isa. Ayan. Yun lang. After all those, yun lang. So, ito po. Dumating na po yung in-order ko. It's actually, so we got here, Snowball Ice. Blue is Snowball Ice. Ayan, microphone siya. Plug and play USB microphone. Ayan, crystal clear audio for Skype calls and Twitch streams. Create professional sounding podcasts and YouTube videos. Record instruments or vocals and entire bands with stunning quality. Easy plug and play directly to your Mac or PC. No drivers to install, and that's what we wanted. So, ayan po yung itsura niya. Ayan. So, tignan po natin. Let's unbox it. So, this is it. Pansit. So, I've been thinking ang tagal-tagal ko pong pinag-isipan kung anong brand po talaga ng microphone yung bibigyan ko. Is it Rode or Shure or any? Pero, considering na mahal talaga yung Rode, yung set niya ng MP1 pack is almost, I think it's over 270 for the whole pack, yung complete set. And then Shure is the same, so mahal siya. And naisipan ko, bibili lang ako ng mura. So ito yung mura. So from Amazon, this is 58 pounds. This is 58 pounds. So yan siya. Comes with this blue Snowball Ice. Ayan, plug and play USB microphone. Let's see how it looks like actually, the actual microphone. So there, that's it. Pansit. Yan lang pala. Akala ko naman kaganda-ganda na Ayun. Kasi pinili ko yung puti kasi babae ako. There you go. At meron siyang nakalagay dito is Snowball Ice, silver. And of course, there's your usual thing. And that's where you're gonna put your stand, I think. Ayan, ang cute naman niya, diba? And then you have a USB port there, which, so you have a USB port there and around all the speakers like that. So let's put that aside there. And this is the stand. So there's this box, it came with this stand. And of course with your normal USB. Let's put that there. And stand, USB, your speaker. It doesn't wanna, the ball is going, rolling. And of course, you have your blue Snowball Ice plug and play USB microphone, the quick start guide, and of course, important safety compliance and warranty information. So I'm gonna push up. And let's try and make it happen. Let's try and assemble this, okay? So try natin na, install natin siya. Let's try to install this Snowball. And as I said, this was recommended by my colleague who is actually a gamer. And we'll see later on kung maganda po siya talaga. Ayan, unboxing my Snowball eyes. Ay, gagaling pala siya. Ay, na-cornada ang So, yan po yung stand ng mic. And of course, you can adjust it according to your taste. Para lang pagkain, no? Adjust it according to your taste, but it doesn't wanna adjust, so let's not try and adjust it. Yan. And of course, before you put this in here, you have to take out that plastic bit there, because that's so... Here you go. Yan. Tapos, wait lang guys, hindi nyo makita eh. Itaas natin siya. Tapos, ganun mo lang siya. But you know what? I'm still gonna buy my microphone soon. Yung Rode. Pero, gusto ko kasi yung Rode gagamitin ko sa karaoke. Ayoko ng live stream or whatever microphone. Ito, gagamitin ko lang to. I will just use this for YouTube. Actually, mainly for YouTube. There. So, turn around until it clicks, guys. There you go. So, yan po siya. With a stand. Every now and then I get a little fun. And then I see. And you have to tighten it. Tighten it. Alright? So, yan po siya. Pakita na natin. Ayan. Nahihirapan ako guys. Kasi mas maganda mag-shoot dun sa loob. Kaya lang. Kasi nga. Ayan. Kaya lang sa loob. Kasi maingay yung washing machine. Ayan. So buti na lang may heater dito. So there you go. My blue Snowball. My blue eyes. Eyes blue. Snowball eyes. Microphone. Stream microphone. So, ito po, kasama yung itong tapos, ito yung sa USB. And this is what you plug. It comes with this. And this is the port for this one. The smaller part of it goes here. And then, it goes here. There. And then this will connect to your laptop. And I will check my later. And you will see me just using it on my live stream. Okay, so let's put it back kasi ayoko na makalat. And there you go. So that's it po. That's my blue Snowball eyes blue microphone. Sabi niya ha, pwede siyang pang, this is what it says, you can use it for crystal clear audio for Skype calls and Twitch streams, create professional sounding podcasts and YouTube videos, record instruments, meaning you can play your guitar and then this little magical, beautiful, rounded mic can pick it up. Vocals, so you can sing using this. An entire band with stunning quality. So we will try later on if it will do what it says. It claims it says. Easy plug and play directly to your MacBook or PC with no drivers to install. O, diba? Bonggacious siya. Yan. Skype certified. Nakalagay Skype certified and Discord certified. So that's the box back. Oh, ayan. So guys, just to show you, it's tilting. Look, it's tilting. So you can tilt it upwards and downwards. Let's see if no, it won't tilt sideways. So you can tilt like that. And it's now connected. We will see if it's going to work. It's now connected to my laptop. So we are going to test this mic, and it's already installed here. So to install this to your Windows 10, you just simply plug in the USB of that mic into your laptop and go to the systems and go to sounds, and that's your output, and there you go. It automatically click or choose a microphone, blue Snowball there. And then as you can see, the test the mic test is already picking up my voice. As you can see, that's my StreamYard. I don't know how I sound at the moment, but my StreamYard is actually picking it up as well. So if you go to your settings, so you go to your settings cam and like that, and then go to audio, and you go to, there you go, sorry. So there you go, it's picking up my voice again as usual. It's picking up my voice, so that's the default one. And there you go, that's the setup of your blue eyes Snowball eyes blue microphone into your laptop. And you can use this on any software, but hopefully you've liked the mini tutorial and unboxing video. Guys, thank you for watching my walang katuturang unboxing with my Snowball eyes microphone, stream microphone. Thank you so much. Until next time, and I hope na kahit wala pong katuturan yung aking in-unbox, ay nagustuhan niyo po itong cute na microphone na to. Ayan, so I just bought this because all I wanna do is have some fun. Pag minsan nag-live stream ako, gusto kong kumanta, or pag may pastime ako, gusto kong kumanta using my laptop, then I can just connect this one. Ayan po, bye-bye! Till next time! Thank you!